there! It's Darby again. Well, let's have a look at what's going on in the garden. And I've heard there are cabbages, string beans are always there. Okra are growing old. Well, I have to say bye-bye to them and plant new ones. Hi! Welcome back to the Kitchen Journal. It's Darby again. I'll be with you going around in the garden and see what's going on. So come on, what are you waiting for? Come with me. Let's start on that one. Those are a new set of beds. There's going to be another trellis. We are replanting our vines. And over here on this trellis, if you can find me on the trellis. How it's so sunny. And you'll see tiny bags. Those are, now look at them. There are small ampalayas in there, or bitter gourd, and they're being wrapped to protect them from insects. Over here on this side are cabbages, and look how big they are. And yeah, look how big they are. They're looking humongous. If we go around, there's a lot of them. That's another row, another one there, another one over there. So we're gonna have cabbage soon. And over here is my fairy garden. Look at them. Hey doggy, have a look. Find Rapunzel there? Where is it? Where's the tower? Over here is a tower. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, lay down your hair. Rapunzel, lay down your hair. Where are you? Are you still sleeping? Well, that was the fairy garden, those fountain that we had before. There's the genius frog over there. There's the tiny gazebo over there. These are the onions. They're growing so nicely. And here are baby peachy. Carrots. Those are carrots. Another peachy. Get eggplants over there. And the okra has gone old, so I think we need to replace that one. And over here, I think those carrots are ready for harvest. Hey, that's Jim. So these are baby lettuces. We're gonna have lettuce soon. That's a new bed right there, still empty. Another babies right here. Yep. And string beans over here. Okay. As you can see, here he put irrigation system already. And they are scattered all over the beds. Yeah. And not all have irrigation yet. Some tiny hoses. Right here. Look at them. They're checking baby rabbits. Yeah, they are babies. Don't bark on them. Hi. Oh, hey there. Oh. They're okay with it. I think this one is making bisou. What about it, Jim? Huh? They're cute, aren't they? No, Jim. No barking on them. No, Jim. And over here we got new ones. New talong. Okay. Oh, those trellis. Look at him. Full of string beans over here. Yeah. And we got baby bitter gourd, baby ampalaya right there in that bag. We are wrapping them so that right here, if you can see that, yeah, baby ampalaya being wrapped so that they won't be attacked by insects. Over here are, and so this is a female one. Oh, it has, so that's the male and that's the female right there. Oh, and that's it. One day it will become a squash, a big squash. Over here it looks like there's nothing, but there is one big pumpkin. Look at that. Hiding in the grass. How big is it? Let me try to lift it. Okay. Ow. It's a little bit heavy. Oh. Geez, that's a good, about 3 kilos. Yeah, it's just hiding over there. The hiding pumpkin. Hey! What do you think
Hey, ay! No. No fighting. Ta-da!
What, 3 kilos again, or 4 probably?
A good 3.
About. Hey! Hey! Hi! Okay. Oh my goodness. How many kilos do you think this is? This is.
But he's ready to test it.
We should take it out later. Very thin trunk. And look at the fruits. Nice.
3.
Maybe a good 3 kilos. Very good squeeze of calamansi. Ready to serve. That's it for today. We'll come back for more next time. Thanks for watching the Kitchen Journal. I'll see you around next time. Bye!